In this video, I'll show you how to join Meetup. Alright, you can do this on phone or via web browser. First thing you need to do here is to go ahead and look for Meetup. Alright, once done, just hit on enter. Now in here, you should be able to see the Meetup logo, alright, which is usually in the first link. If you want to install it on your phone, just go ahead and click on this link right here from Google Play. Alright, I'm going to click on Meetup right here. Or to make your life easier, just go ahead and go to meetup.com. Alright, now once you're in here, if you have a Google account, just go ahead and click on sign up with Google account right here or Apple ID. And if you have an existing Facebook account, you can use that in here as well. Now, if you have a custom email, just go click on continue with email. All right, I'm going to hit on Google as I have a Google account. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to hit on continue. Signing up is an easy process. As you can see here, it requires us for a name. So what I'm going to do here is just type in my name or username. Say, for example, made for money. Your name will be public on your Meetup profile. Now, location would be maybe Santos City, Philippines, right? Age, tick this one. I am 18 years of age or older. And once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on sign up and wait for the website to load. Now in here, get started by picking a few interests. All right, the minimum to pick here is 3. Say, for example, I am interested in sports and recreation. That's 1. Technology, computer programming, web development. It's up to you. And maybe some games. All right, gaming. Once done, just click on next. Now, as you can see here, find a group to join. Join groups to start meeting up and get suggestions based on what you join. And it says here we couldn't find any group near you, but yours might be different. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on next right here. Now, if you want to join the Meetup Plus, which will give you a high priority in waitlist, limited DMs, see all event attendees, see other user profiles, and view all group members, just go ahead and try this one, which is $3 per month. If you want to, but if you just want to try it for free, just click on try for free right here. All right. Once that's done, as you can see here, we just created our Meetup account. If you want to, you can add your country of residence right here, the zip postal code, your card as a payment method. All right. Name of card, card number, expiration date, CVC, and all that good stuff. Now, when we go to connections right here, as you can see, you can now explore the Meetup website. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.